Hi, I'm Thea Tolentino and I'm an actress from GMA Network. I define myself as versatile dahil bukod sa ito yung line of work ko, being an actress kasi kailangan may versatility ka para magampanan mo yung mga roles na binibigay sa'yo. And I think because of my job, nahulma na yung sarili ko na maging versatile sa iba't ibang aspeto ng life. As an actress, what makes me smile, of course, it's working with these amazing people around me. That's what makes me smile. For me, a smile symbolizes power because a simple smile really goes a long way. And pag you're not in the mood, kapag ngumiti ka, it gives you power na parang magagawa mo to hanggang dulo. A woman who inspires me is my nanay. Kasi alam ko yung pinagdaanan na hirap ni nanay and tatlo kasi kaming magkakapatid. Minsan 4 kaming nagiging anak niya. Kasama na yung tatay ko. Tapos nasama po yung 8 kong pusa. So ilan kaming inaalagaan niya. And nakikita ko na kahit nahihirapan siya, she would smile. Lahat ng problemang dumaan sa life niya, she would still smile. Nagagawa niya pang tumawa. And hindi lang halata or hindi lang siguro namin napapansin most of the time, pero sobrang pilay kami kapag wala yung nanay ko. And if she doesn't smile in her life, feeling ko hindi niya na rin kakayanin. Kaya talagang very powerful ang smile, and doon ako na-inspire sa nanay ko. To all the women out there, happy International Women's Month. I'm Thea Tolentino, an actress from GMA Network, reminding you to let your smile empower you.